palm oil cultivation amaram oiraga akoibagi fifam da sokhande haibagi scientific proof leire miyam da palm cultivation ga mari leinana chingnaba kaya leiriba adu koknabagi pandam da leiba asigi tongan ba field gi expert amadi scientist yauba national level seminar assistant bani haina chief minister nongthomam birena phongdokrai wafam asing asi agriculture department sinduna chingmerong da leiba hotel classic grand da set asida all palm promotion ga mari leinana national workshop ama ngasi hodokhiba duga mari leinana phongdokhibani chief minister nongthomam birena hai set asida all palm cultivation asiga mari leinana miyam da chingnaba akiba kaya ama leire haiba khangbangam lei palm oil cultivation amaram oraga aikhogi akoibagi fibam sokhali haiba wafam asi scientifically lale haina proof tawbu leire palm cultivation tawriba mafam aduda ki home coffee yauna mahi marong kaya ama thaba yai ngasigi seminar asi pangthoklibasi maruoina serasida leiriba miyam da leiriba akiba sing adu khangdoknaba all palm cultivation ga mari leinana kari kana balai amadi challenges kari lai haiba do ningthina khangdokna ba honabani seminar asida ICAR Indian Institute of All Palm gi director Dr. RK Mathar yauna tongan ba field gi expert scientist sing CSO sing gi mihut media gi representative yauna ningthina Khanagani loinana miyam da leiriba chingnaba sing adu koknaba honagani Manipur state yoina central sector scheme of national food security mission all palm gi makhada Manipur all palm mission set sel semkrai mission asigi makhada set asigi Jiribam More Ukhrul Thoubal Imphal West yauna district taruk identify tawbaga loinana punna hector lising humfu taruka chatru ka yankhaini thoida palm thana ba sem saba haurai mission asigi makhada palm sapling puthokpa hokrai palm gi sapling kadaidagi laigani haina hana yamna mi paiba ma oiramba du state asida palm sapling puthokpa ngamba sima official singbu thagataba ngamde all palm cultivation mission asi kumjali singani kunma thoigi November 12 da haudokrabasu miyamda palm cultivation ga mari leinana chingnaba kaya leiba sina maram oiraga apanba oiri Serasida sizinariba polam ayamba mapan state singdagi puslakpa oiri serasida puthokpa polam kharasu atopa state singda export tawduna nation building da manaba thodang lawba ngamna bonasi all palm cultivation asidagi fanglakpa palm oil adu atopa state singda export tawnaba pandam thamsi haina chief minister na phongdokhi
The rumors coming up destroy the forests, it destroys the soil, and nothing can be planted if once this oil plant is grown. That kind of suspicion and apprehension is spreading. That's why today's seminar is taking place, especially to discuss and to convey the message to the masses that scientifically it has been proven that nothing harm is doing by this plantation. Just within the premises of the oil palm field, pineapple can be grown, coffee, coca and a long pepper can be grown, many things. It is a real picture from the farm. Let us take a chance to clarify what actually the problems and what actually the benefit we're expecting to be.
Ngasigi thauram aduga mari leinana agriculture minister Thongam Biswajana hai India na malem gi oina all palm import tawri mamang chahi gi report ki matung inna leiba asina all palm ton lakh lising tara humdoi ga chahum ga yankhai atopa leibak singdagi punna lupa crore lising chading tawduna leikhi karigomba leiba asida all palm mapung fana puthokpa ngamlagadi leiba asigi yamlaba senfa mama save tawduna leiba asigi chawkha thaurangi lamda sizinaba yagani Prime Minister Narendra Modi na leibasida all palm cultivation ki initiative ama lokhatpa horakpaga iroinana Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena su sedasida mamang chahidagi horaga all palm plantation ki thabak hokrai all palm cultivation amaram oraga environmental impact lei haiba wafam ama lakliba si leibasi gi oinadi leitri Malaysia da palm cultivation na akoibagi fibam sokhali haiba wafam ama lakhiba du maruoina leiba ani asida palm cultivation private firm da sinnaba intercropping tawdaba amadi palm plantation tawnaba u kaya kokthokpa aduna achoba maram oiki haina minister asana phongdokhi ngasigi thoram aduda SLSC all palm Manipur gi ex officio chairman V Bumlunmang all palm cultivation ki north eastern region ki deputy commissioner VK Srivastava, ICAR Manipur Center, Imphal Joint Director Dr. I.M. Singh, Agriculture Director ki Commissioner Mongzam Joy, North East State Singhi Mihut Yauna Miyoi Kyana Sarukyaki.
There are reports for environmental impact from Indonesia and Malaysia, etc., but not in India, because They have given to the private companies, number one, and they destroyed forests, and even the intercropping were not provided in this scheme. After knowing all kind of the facts, so India government has started providing input assistance for intercropping creation of the water harvesting structure, vermicomposing, everything. I would request to all the officers once again and all the farmers, this kind of the scheme is very beneficial to all and to create more economic activities in our state, particularly the Jiribam and the identified areas. So let us make it possible to fulfill the dream of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and